Hey, welcome to my new listing here at 1209 Daniels Farm Road. It's a magnificent home, and it's a very historical home, built in 1929 by Colonel William C. Weeks. And he named this house the Cobblecott House. You gotta check this out. It's an amazing home. Come on inside and take a look. Oh, and before we go inside, huge feature of this house is this front porch. It's amazing. It's got these huge natural stone pillars, vaulted ceilings, and it's almost the entire length of the front of the house. It's an amazing front porch. This house is phenomenal. You know what it gives me the vibes of? Have anybody ever seen Dirty Dancing, you know, with Patrick Swayze and Jennifer Grey? It kind of gives me those Dirty Dancing vibes. It's just an amazing home. The wood beams, the coffered ceilings, it's amazing. These oak floors are just gleaming. Look at this formal dining room. I mean, I love the wall paneling, the French doors out to that private patio, and this built-in hutch. This house has so much charm, so much character, it's amazing. You know, it's a lofty dining room. We've got these French doors, and then it leads out to this private patio. And I'm just sitting here with my cup of coffee, and I'm just envisioning the kids swimming out here, and they're playing out here in this beautiful yard. It's such a tranquil, beautiful, serene scene. I love this large kitchen, great for some large family gatherings. Love the bay window, very sun-filled room, open window over the sink, coffee bar, fully appliance, double oven, center island. The kitchen has it all. 10-foot ceilings too on this whole main level. I mean, this thing is high. They call this house a Craftsman cake. But this fireplace is absolutely amazing. The stonework, this hearth has got to be, I don't know, 2.5, 3 feet wide. These ceilings are, 10 feet high. Yeah, so this historical house that they call the Cobblecott House is actually featured in a couple of these Trumbull historical books. So here on the main level, we have a bedroom, a full bathroom, and what I call an office/fifth bedroom. So here we are on the upper level, 3 bedrooms and 2 newly updated, renovated bathrooms. And these bathrooms have marble, updated faucets, fixtures, tiles, beautiful. And as I'm walking into the master bedroom, I'm noticing the vaulted ceilings with the shiplap. Again, they have brand new engineered hardwood floors. They're beautiful, they're so shiny. Even shiplap in the bathroom, cathedral everywhere, tray type of ceiling. Really unique, very charming, beautiful. Oh, so down here in the lower level, we have an additional 540 square feet of perfection finished living space. There's also the laundry room, a half-of the bathroom, and a huge storage basement next door. And there's a door that goes right out to the pool patio. All right, so here we are outside at the pool. I mean, beautiful Bluestone patio. Gotta love the natural stone walls, the steps up to the landscaping. It's got a door that goes out to this 1.4 acre lot that's level and it's beautiful. And there's 2 large sheds on the property as well. Just a really beautiful pool area. Hey, so thank you for coming on this tour with me of 1209 Daniels Farm Road. There's so much more I could show you and talk to you about this historic home, but I'm gonna save that for when you come and look at it. Give me a call or shoot me a text for a private tour. 203-209-2529 or email me at j@jcannone.com. Listen, thanks again for watching this video and have a great rest of your day.